What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Today we'll be applying CSS, and Alejandro has learned CSS and created the desired visual rules to make our website look sleek and polished. Now navigate to style.css file to take a look at the CSS code that she's written. So we can see background color, margin, padding, the header, background image, background position, background size, height, width. Okay, that looks good. All right. In this file, you'll recognize that many of the HTML tags that we've been working with and maybe a few that you haven't seen yet. So for example, you'll see H1, H2, H3, H4, P is in paragraph. I think we used that before as well. And yeah, LI, H2. Okay. So CSS contains selectors that specify the HTML elements to which the style should be applied, as well as the visual rules that specify how the content should be displayed. Now it's time to use the HTML link element to apply the CSS file to her existing website. This is done with an HTML link tag. An HTML link tag is often used to create a connection between an HTML file and a CSS file and tells the browser to apply the CSS styles to the HTML. So on line 6 of index.html, line 6 right here, it says copy and paste the code below to apply the CSS file to the existing HTML. Use your knowledge of HTML attributes to figure out what this code specifies and check out extra information in the hint if you want to learn more. Okay. So link. So of course it's linking something. You guys remember the hyper reference or the hyperlink reference? It's back. And we link it to style.css, meaning right here, and rel, I'm guessing, stands for relative, or the relationship to style sheet. Okay, so it's not too hard to get it. Okay, awesome. Alejandro's site is looking good. Just a little CSS can make the difference between a website that looks like a skeleton and portfolio ready site. Now let's tweak the CSS just a little bit more to see how the visual rules specified in CSS can change the way that a website is displayed. Now navigate to style.css and scroll down to line 37, okay, where you'll see the H1 selector. This section defines the style for the H1 element on the page, which is the most predominant heading. Just for practice, change the color from white to black and press run. So let's run. Oh, okay, right here it's changed. Good job. Changing the color of the H1 text. If you look at the rendered browser, you'll notice that the heading text is no longer readable in font. Let's change the color. Let's change the color property within the H1 selector back to white. Yeah, because if you see here, this does not look good at all. So we'll just go and make it white again. Sounds good. Dang. Yeah, that looks really nice. So this color definitely needs to change a little because you can barely see that, honestly. You can barely honestly see that. And yeah, that's gonna end it. So here's a question. Can you apply multiple style sheets to a single page? Yes, you can apply more than one style sheet to an HTML file. So you actually can. And also it doesn't matter about the pattern or the order of if you put the href first or the relation first. Okay. But yeah, that's gonna end this video right here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I do appreciate it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great day.